Good afternoon, dear students. This is your English teacher. Dear children, from today we are going to start our new poem, that is Unit 6 Class Discussion. Okay, so dear children, in this poem, the class discussion, it is an activity. Okay, in this activity, our discussion will be held on a single topic. Okay, and everybody in the class gets the opportunity to participate. This poem is based on class discussion. Okay, so dear children, do you know the advantages of class discussion? Have you ever participated in class discussion? A class discussion activity that has been held in your class? Yes, you must have participated many a time, okay, right? And there are lots of advantages of class discussion activities. Now, what are the class discussion? What is the actual meaning of class discussion? It is the two-way communication. Okay, what is this? It is the two-way communication made interesting, and it's training. It's nothing but the training for the self-expression. Okay, and we can find everybody's principle, everybody's participate and important. Yeah, okay, that is we can find here the everybody's participation and importance also. Okay, so it is a basically, you can say, a very interesting activity that your teachers, they must have taken place in a class. So let's start this poem. Okay, so before starting this poem, first of all, just take a look on this picture. Okay, just take a look at this picture. Now tell me, what is going on here? Yes, this is a scene of a classroom. Okay, this is one of the scene of a classroom. A teacher is teaching the class, right? And what activity is taken? Okay, what activity is taken there? Yes, the teacher is asking the questions. Okay, and she may be discussing something, okay, with the class and students. And you can say the students were raising their hands too. Okay, and here their opinion about the questions. Okay, they are just asking, the teacher is asking the question to hear their opinions about the question. Okay, right? So this poem, class discussion, it is written by the poem written by the poet Garvase Feen. Okay, the name of the poet is Garvase Feen. Now let's know about the poet. Now let's know something about the poet. The Garvase Feen is an English author. Okay, he is an English author, an educator. He is an English author, an educator. After a career as a teacher, he became a school's inspector. Okay, after a career as a teacher, he became a school's inspector and laterally visiting professor of education. Okay, he just visiting professor of education at the University of Teesside. Okay, and he graduated from Leeds Trinity University in 1970 with a degree in education. Okay, then that means he did the D.Ed. Okay, so the Garvase born on 27 December 1946. Okay, and in Rohatham, United Kingdom, that is UK. His spouse, that means his wife's name is Christian Feen. His children, Matthew Feen, he has one boy named Matthew Feen, and his education, Leeds Trinity University, South Grove Comprehensive School. Okay, so this is all about the poet Garvasi Feen. Okay, he is a teacher, then he become school inspector, then laterally he visiting professor of education at the University of Deeside, and he graduated from Leeds Trinity University in 1970 with a degree in education. Understood? So dear children, this is all about our poem Class Discussion. So the class discussion is the activity. Okay, our discussion will be held on a single topic, and everybody in the class gets the opportunity to participate. Okay, this poem is based on the class discussion. So as you know that what is mean by class discussion. Okay, and you have also you have also participate in class discussion activity that has been held in your class. Okay, and the class discussion is two-way communication made interesting, and it's training for self-expression, and here in this class activity we have find everybody's participation and importance. Okay, so this is the basically very interesting activity of teacher for teacher and students. Okay, now let's start our poem. This is our poem, children. In the class discussion, Jane, you hardly said a word. Okay, that means that here is one teacher, okay, who is reading this poem. See, here is the poet name Garvasi Feen. In the class discussion, Jane, you hardly said a word. We all aired our opinions, but from you we barely heard. You sat and stared in silence, surrounded by the chatter. Now tell me, Jane, and please be plain. Is there anything the matter? Jane looked up and then she spoke. Her voice was clear and low. There are many people in this world who are rather quiet, you know. Okay, so this is all about our poem. Okay, so dear children, this is the poem written by the Garvasi Feen. So this is it for today's video. Okay, tomorrow we will discuss and elaborate this poem. Okay, I hope you understood the introduction part and all about our author of this poem, that is from unit number 6, class discussion. Okay, so dear children, what your homework for today, you have to just pick out the hard words from this poem and write down 5 times in your copy. Okay, so dear children, this is it for today's video. If you have any problem regarding to this video, you can ask me. Till then, it's goodbye from my side. Thank you and have a nice day.